go get them again.
Welcome back to Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Royal Crown, the last of the second batch. Hasn't fared very well yet either. I had several in the first batch, now I had 4. None have brought me to happiness. This one called Tzar, nice red bottle. Might as well fit it with the red hoodie. Go Habs go. Tzar from Royal Crown. Let's get into it. Of course, the crown has lost its jewel. Of course it lost its jewel. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button. Much appreciated. Let's take a look at the note breakdown of Tzar and let's see what we think we're going to be getting. Obviously, in the mid, we got some florals. We got some grapefruit, pepper, and nutmeg. So we got some spicy notes in the top. And in the back end, we got lots of wood, cedar, sandalwood, and vetiver. This was released back in 2018. Nose / owner continues to be, of course, the nose behind this, Antonio Visconti. Let's delve into it and let's see if Tzar is going to be a winner. And again, I'm kind of just speeding through these, honestly, now. I think I'm at bottle number 12-ish of the brand, and honestly, it's just getting more and more sad. So I don't know what to tell you guys, especially ones that are watching these videos. At least you have one honest fragrance reviewer telling you what it is. It's a very overpriced brand, and it doesn't. The scents don't even come close to being worth the price. Not even close. It's not even in the ballpark. I say that this might be the better constructed fragrance that I've smelt from the whole line. I'm giving it time. Give me a second. I'm actually giving it time to see. It's floral. It's woody. It has citrusy aspects. It has some spices. It's actually a well-rounded perfume. Now, is it $400 worth? No, not even in the same discussion of 4. Like, get rid of one of the zeros. Like 40. You know, this one's, you never know, right? Took me, what, 11 tries to finally find one that actually is built like an actual perfume. A lot of them don't have really, a lot of them are very scratchy. They don't have any, like there's a huge note breakdown and it's really nothing. It's just like a very linear 1 or 2 note thing. And it stays linear. I'm wearing these things for the day. This one, it's not great, but it's built right. Grapefruit, peppery. It has some woody aspects. So the wood's actually in the back end. A lot of the woods in a lot of these fragrances, I smell 0 wood. This one has some woods and it has some sweetness as well. Now, don't ask me where the sweetness comes from. This one isn't too bad. The blend of notes work for me here. It smells like a good designer. Not a great one, a good designer. The florals of Lily of the Valley and Magnolia are present, and they do the heavy lifting in this release. It's waxy a bit. It's creamy. Lots of musks backing it. There's a little bit of a resinous quality, a little bit, like I feel like there's myrrh in here or something like that. There's none listed. And I'm trying to see here, there's nothing in here that would actually give you that thought. Vetiver, and that's like, I'm grasping at straws, pun intended. Yeah, this might be the best thing I've done as far as what I've smelt. Like, I mean, as composition goes. Yeah. So it smells like an okay designer release. Still not worth even close of what they're asking as far as a price point. And as far as a scent profile, there's nothing in here that smells like anything well done, right? Like there's Magnolia in here and it's doing a lot of the heavy lifting, but the Magnolia is just subpar. The Lily of the Valley is subpar. Like I've smelt some really good ones throughout my years, but there's dimensions to this one, which is like such a breath of fresh air. Like a lot of these Royal Crowns are like flat, two-noter, go, right? And this, a proper perfume has layers, volumes. When you have notes listed as woods, there's actual volume to it. Royal Crown doesn't have volumes, it seems. Like when it lists oud in their note breakdowns, which a lot of them do, nothing. A lot of them have like a lot of woods in them in the note breakdown. Like no woody like none. Like I can pinpoint a little bit of wood. Like I could say, okay, yeah, there's a little faint wood here to give it that. Here I can smell it. So I'm giving it flowers, pun intended, because Lily of the Valley Magnolia is in here, because of the build. But I'm being like super generous here, like $400 USD. It should not smell like this. This is just not very good. Yeah. Now you can find this one at fragflex.com where I got mine, and you can use code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to buy this. You can buy anything, and the code does not expire, at least for now. So you can use it at your own risk. If you did want to buy this, go ahead. That's a huge discount for fragrances like these because they're expensive, but keep that in mind that the little caps may lose the jewel in the middle. I know that Max Aroma actually opens your package for you. They do it without you asking. And they pre-pack this by itself because it breaks in the packages of what Royal Crown has put them in, which is why you're seeing me with a lot of these with the caps broken because it's just poor design. So I don't think Fragflex opens anything for you. No discounter or retailer should be opening up your packages for you, honestly. Any brand that is asking any amount of money that a discounter or a retailer has to open the package for you, I've never heard of that, is crazy. Let alone one that is a premier, as far as pricing goes, premier brand. Just kind of tells you how it goes. So that's sure my take. I'd love to see yours in the comments below. This one, this is the best we're gonna get out of Royal. I don't see anything getting any better than this. And it's not even good. It's just that it actually smells like a perfume. It doesn't smell flat. Like it doesn't smell like someone with crayons made it. It has some volume to it, different volumes. So anyway, love the comments. You can agree, disagree with me. I don't care. I absolutely open up the comment section for that reason. So people that are looking at this brand, you could have comments down below that you may want to read and take a look at. But Tzar is probably the best of the brand, and that's not saying much. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.